Hi, I'm Jayme from Shanti Kai, and I'm here with a quick tip on working with our guardian angel and healer within companion essences for coping with chaos. So, quick tip number one, apply guardian angel in the morning before you go to work, or to use it over your children before they go to school. And then, also you can apply it over your vehicle, or before you go into traffic. And then throughout the day as needed, to buffer feelings of worry or stress, you can come in with the healer within. And we always recommend the same main points for sensitive areas, which you can read about on our blogs online or find on the label. But it's the forehead, temples, crown, throat, back of the skull, frontal energy centers, and anywhere you feel stress and tension. And you can use this one as frequently as needed throughout the day. You can also take it as drops if you feel like your stress is like really tight within you. A lot of people feel stress more like in their stomach or in their heart or in their throat. So if there's a certain area that gets locked up, you can work with it as a spray, but you can also take it internally. And the guardian angel essence can also help those energies of worry and fear. And this one is actually recommended before you go to bed. If you're someone that does worry a lot or has that mental pattern of worry, spraying this around your heart, over your forehead, temples, and the base of your skull can help to cut the charge on that energy if it's something that you are picking up from outside of you.